This is a fake background, and this as well. This is also a fake background, it's not real. Even this one as well, all created with AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic fake YouTube background to use in all your video. With this, the environment you are living will no longer be a barrier for you not to start your YouTube channel and for you not to show your face here on YouTube. Apart from that, I'm going to also provide the prompt for you to actually create this background by yourself. So if this makes sense to you, sit back as we get right into this video. Before then, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, make sure you drop your comment down below and share this video with another creator. So let's get right into the tutorial. So for you to be able to create realistic fake AI background, first you need a prompt for you to be able to generate your studio background. I've already created about 3 different background prompts. Here are the prompts. So first I'm going to copy the first one. Let's head over to create the background. I'm going to be making use of ChatGPT to create this background. So you can use ChatGPT, you can use Google Gemini. There are a lot of AI image generation tool you can actually use. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of ChatGPT. I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and then paste this prompt. If you need this prompt, just kindly drop in the comment, send the prompt. I will definitely forward the prompt to you. If you need prompt number 1, say prompt number 1. If you need prompt number 2, just let me know the one you want. If you need the 3 prompts, let me know. I'm going to forward them to you. Okay, so here is the one I want to use. So at this point, I am going to include 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay, then I'm going to send. Now what that means is that, do you want it vertical? Do you want it portrait? So I want it vertical because I want to use it for YouTube video. So at this point, you have to wait for ChatGPT to create the image for you. It will not really take time. You can see this, it doesn't even take time. And can you see the kind of studio background we are having here? This is beautiful. Just come over here, click on it, and then go ahead to download. So once you click on download, it's going to be downloading. For you to have a quality video when you want to change your video background, here are the points to note. Point number 1, you have to make sure that you are using a plain background to film your video. You can see the kind of background I am using, white plain background. You can decide to use maybe any background at all, but let it be plain. Do not use a background that is too busy, like different colors. You will not be able to achieve what you want. Then point number 2, if you're a lady, make sure your hair is well packed. Okay, make sure you pack your hair very well. Do not use this kind of hair like my hairstyle. This kind of hairstyle to make a video that you know fully well that you want to change the background. Make sure that your hair is well packed so that when you want to change the background, it will not blur along with the background, so that the software will be able to dictate your hair and the background. Very important. Also, make sure that you're sitting down like this, sit like a pretty elegant baby girl, just like this. Do not talk and then you demonstrate in a video that you want to change your background. It will show that you actually change the background. Even though you want to blur it, it will show. So make sure if you want to change a video background, just sit down like this and talk with no much demonstration. Even though you want to demonstrate, just small. Do you understand? Also, very important, make sure that you are using a tripod. Use a tripod or you use anything to hold your phone or your camera. Make sure you are using something to make your camera to stabilize so that when you want to change the background, it will not shake. Do not allow anybody to hold your phone for you. When you are filming a video, you want to change the background. Another thing is, make sure that the clothes you are wearing is different from the background. You can wear a plain clothes, but whatever, make sure that it is different from the background, and do not wear a cloth that is too busy, like puff kind of clothes. Make sure it's just a simple outfit that is different from the background, so that the software will be able to dictate you as a subject and the background, which is the object. Basically, if there is any other thing that needs to be observed, I'm going to put in this video. Now we've gotten the 3 studio background. We've gotten the 3 backgrounds. So now let's proceed to the next step, which is us putting the background in a video to see what it will look like. So let's head over to the next step. Now, the next step is for you to come over to CapCut or any editing software you are using. But I'm going to be making use of CapCut. So just follow through. Once you get to CapCut, come over and then click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, it will take you to where you can access your videos and also access your photos. So first, we are going to bring in the photo, the background we generated first. So I'm going to be making use of the first one, the first background. So once you bring in your background, you have to come over and then let's adjust it a little. Okay, so after adjusting, I'm going to bring in the video we want to change the background. So I'm going to click on overlay. So once you click on overlay, click on add overlay, then come over to the video part. Then I'm going to select the video I want to change the background. Now this is the video I want to change the background. Do you know why I choose this video? I'm using this video because my hair is well packed. So I want it to give me what I want. So once you bring in your video, you click on the video to highlight. Do you understand? So just click on that video. Once you click on it, search for remove background. Your own may not be, your own CapCut may differ from my own. Try to navigate to check where remove background is. Some version comes with maybe just cut out. So it's for you to check and know where remove background is. So my own is just remove BG. So BG is background. Then I'm going to click on auto removal. I'm going to use auto removal. Click on it. And then once you click on auto removal, you can see the background has been removed. But you have to wait for it to count from 1 to 100 for it to be fully removed. You can see it is actually rotating here. You can see that. You can see it is rotating. So it will not take time. Just wait for it to rotate and then get to the end, and your video background will be removed. Okay, you can see that background removed. So at this point, I'm going to play. Now, if you see this video right down, you see, if you do not know that the background has been removed, you will not know. What you have to do at this point is for you to click on that video and then adjust. Make it to be a little bit bigger. I'm going to adjust again. Now here is it. Let me play. In today's video, I'm going to show you 20 types of camera movements commonly used in filmmaking, cinematography. You can see because the clothes I'm putting on is not quite busy, and I'm not shaking my hands. I'm not shaking my hands. My hair is well packed. You can see it is flawless. So you can adjust it to anywhere. You can take it to anywhere, and you can make it to be at the middle. Now, what you have to do at this point is for us to blur this background. I want to blur this background so that it will not really show that this is not a real background. Do you understand? So what am I going to do? I'm going to come over here. I'm going to come over and click on effects. Once you click on effects, you come over to video effects. You wait for it, and then you can see under trending, come over to trending. Under trending, you are going to see blur. See blur down here. So click on it. In this video, I'm going to see how beautiful it is right now. So you can as well adjust the blur for it to be a bit like for the background to show a little bit, because it's quite blurry. So what I'm going to do is for me to click on that blur, click on it, and then you are going to see adjust. Click on adjust, and then you can see it is actually showing now. If I take it to 6, it's showing take it, you can see. So if I take it to the end, it's blurry, like it blurs everything. And you can actually use it. You can actually use it. So I want the background to show a little bit. So I will allow it to be like this. And then I'm going to adjust the blur to the end of the video. Then also for the video, okay, for the background, I'm going to adjust it to fit the video, okay, to the point where the video stopped. Okay, so then let me go ahead to play for you to see. Today's video, I'm going to show you 20 types of camera movements commonly used in filmmaking, cinematography, and professional video production. So you know, now that is how you can change your background with AI, with the help of AI. That is how you can use fake realistic background on your videos. If you want your video to change, like to have different background, for instance, let me show you something. I can click on this background and then split it, then go into my gallery and bring in another background in between. So let me show you. Bring this particular one in. You can see the two different backgrounds, okay, different background, and it will bring in. You can as well use video as background. So let me show you how to achieve that. For instance, I want to split and then click on this plus sign here. Okay, let me use this particular one as background. You can see that this is me using a video as background. Let me play. Tools that you have to make your video to stand. Okay, so you can decide to mute the video background, like the video that is in the background. That is how you can actually change your video background. That is how you can use fake realistic studio background in your video. So once you are done with everything and you are satisfied with it, just kindly come over here to export your video. Export your video there and it's going to be in your gallery. Okay. I hope you found this video valuable. Do not forget to like. Make sure you like this particular video, subscribe to my channel, and also drop your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if there is any video you want me to create next, kindly let me know in the comments below. And if you have any question concerning this, ask in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. See you in my next video. Goodbye.